When audiences experienced Ōtairongo at Art Space and at Toi Tū Toi Ora, they would have noticed that there were creations or visual creations of cocoons that really represented the case moth. And the case moth is the home of Ringatoi, who is the goddess of sound and music. It was really important to have these because I wanted to associate wahine Māori to their lineage and to their genealogy to the goddess Ringatoi, and so making that connection and that lineage to music and to sound and to ā-wahine. And the process in which I went about achieving this was over a 3 or 4 year period of study. There were 3 particular wahine Māori that I narrowed it down to, and that was Dr. Tirita Papage, Moana Maniapoto and Ramon Te Wake. And each particular wahine, for various reasons, were chosen because of their strong mana wahine positions in their whānau, in their community and within themselves.